Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Yes, another addition to the Chicago collection. Even though I told myself not to buy any more 134 scale models. But I got a deal with the seller. Dropped the price a little bit. So I bought it. Well, not one, I bought two. The other one should be coming tomorrow. It's in Chicago, but it's not in the neighborhood. Alright. Got this from Worldwide Extreme Diecast. And my battery is dying. Hold on. Sorry about that. Sometimes I don't charge the batteries in between use. So, luckily, I have a spare battery. That's in there kind of tight. Come on. Come on. Almost there. You know what? Just tear the box open. There we go. Alright, yeah. It is a waste management truck. No, it's not. It's based off a waste management truck. This is a custom made model. I've never seen this style packaging before. Kind of neat. Alright. Is this the top? Yep. Let's take the truck out first. Oh. It is a... Ooh, you cannot see it. It's too cloudy out. Can't see too well. There we go. It is a Mack Granite roll-off truck. I think it's like the California style roll-off. Here in Chicago we have the deadlift, which is this part right here is gone, I should say. And you got two rollers in the back. That's the Chicago style. This is what I call the California style rails. Alright, it's in the Roy Strom colors. And this is the first roll-off truck in my collection. Looks pretty sweet. And again, this is a custom. Take the dumpster out. Here's the roll-off dumpster. And it looks exactly like the dumpster they use. No parking sign. That is so cool. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And see you guys next time.